For Women's History Month, we celebrate a trailblazing leader whose service has carried Jamaica's spirit of volunteerism onto the global stage. Hope Marks.
Cause I am a superwoman. Yes, I am. Yes, she is.
In 2025, Hope Marks became the first Black woman and Caribbean national to be elected as president of the 110-year-old Kiwanis International. An accomplished Kiwanian, community builder, and proud Jamaican, she spent decades building a legacy of leadership and service.
I was born and raised in Jamaica to loving parents who believed in putting the needs of children first. And I truly believe that having this solid foundation has kept me grounded and has helped me to make choices beneficial to me and to others. I am philanthropic and have given self-personally to various Kiwanis programs and projects and to my community, which has earned me achievements such as Justice of the Peace, Hanover Charities Committee Chair, Honorary Ambassador to the University of West Indies on the western side of the island, and Director of the medical organization Caribbean Health Outreach. I was invited to join Kiwanis by a close friend of good character, and I stress on good character because otherwise, I probably would have declined the invitation. And I'm now in my 25th year and a member of two clubs, a charter member of the Kiwanis Club of Hopewell, where I have served in several capacities, and a year-old member of the Northwestern Indianapolis Club.
Her leadership journey also includes serving as governor of the Eastern Canada and Caribbean District during the 2013 to 2014 administrative year, guiding clubs across the region in service initiatives and membership growth. Marks's dedication to children and community development has earned her numerous prestigious honors. These include the George F. Hickson Fellowship, the Walter Zeller Fellowship through the Kiwanis Children's Fund and the Eliminate Project, the Mel Osborne Fellow Award, Champion for Children recognition from the Kiwanis Foundation of Canada, and the Godfrey Dyer Medallion from the Kiwanis Foundation of Jamaica.
I believe it started at home, for sure, and the family grew up in the same neighborhood. So we were friends from birth, basically, siblings having children, our first cousins, that kind of thing. And service, giving, watching them giving it's like we couldn't wait to get to their age, so that we could probably do the same. But it was the influence, I would say, definitely of my home life.
Her impact is also being recognized across the Jamaican diaspora. The city of Lauderhill officially proclaimed January 8, 2026 as Hope Marks Day, honoring her decades of service and global influence. Through service, vision, and determination, Hope Marks continues to blaze a trail for Caribbean women, proving that leadership rooted in service can inspire change around the world.
I think there is something in me that says, you're ready.
That was First Lady, Jamaican Women Trailblazers. Keep listening to Cool 97 FM all month as we spotlight remarkable Jamaican women who were the first to pave the way.